Hello humans, I'm going to show you the 4 black cashmere hats I recently made. The first one is a simple cloche, but more like a beret because it's a little poofy. See where I twisted it? This one's nice and thick. Actually, they're all from the same sweater. They're all from the men's cashmere sweater. Very high quality. Here's another one. And you can see where the V-neck is for the men's sweater. I actually made this too from pieces of cashmere. This one's fun, huh? Yeah, let's get on the rocket and go to Mars. I'm almost finished with this. I'm not saying that I agree with his personality, but it's very interesting. Next, I'm going to read Richard Branson. He's one of my heroes. He has Virgin Galactic. This one has a hand-dyed piece of cashmere. It's cloche. And here's another cloche without a trim. Very simple and wearable. And this is oh so soft and cozy and warm. So soft. It's a men's cashmere and it's pretty thick. So that's it. What do you like? 1, 2, 3, or 4? I've got to watch it a few times. Looks like I need a haircut and a hair dye, perhaps. Goodbye. Enjoy the cold wearing one of the cashmere hats.